Hey, what is going on everyone? Have you ever encountered an issue with the built-in ScanPST app on Windows to repair your Outlook PST files, such as the app being stuck for ages or has stopped responding? Well, in this case, don't worry, you're not alone in this scenario. This video will showcase a much faster online alternative that can repair your Outlook PST file without installing any programs on your device. Before we start, a quick shout out to Stella for making this collaboration possible. Now, let's begin. If your Outlook isn't opening due to a corrupted PST file, ScanPST, which is Microsoft's free inbox repair tool, is generally the first thing that people run in hopes of fixing this situation. But what if you're in a situation where the app itself gets stuck while repairing? Instead of fixing the problem, you're stuck waiting with no progress. You may start asking yourself, why is this the case? Here are some of the reasons ScanPST can get stuck while repairing. 1. The PST file is very large. 2. There isn't enough system memory available. 3. Your PST file contains bad sectors and/or internal inconsistencies. And lastly, or ScanPST may not be designed to handle complex file corruptions. Even if the repair completes, many users may find that Outlook won't open, or some emails, contacts, or folders are not there. The main issue is that ScanPST doesn't always repair every level of corruption. So if you've already tried the app several times without success, then perhaps it's time to try something more reliable. Instead of using ScanPST, you can use Stellar Online PST Repair. Unlike ScanPST, this is a web browser-based solution, so there's nothing you need to install. Step 1. Open the Stellar Online PST Repair website, which I'll have a link for in the description. Step 2. Upload your corrupted PST file. Step 3. The online version scans your mailbox and repairs the corruption. Step 4. Preview your recovered emails, calendars, contacts, attachments, and other Outlook items. If everything looks good and you are happy with the results, simply save the repaired PST file and open it in Outlook. The online version is very easy to use, works directly from the browser of your choice, and it will let you repair PST files without searching for ScanPST or dealing with any install issues. So why choose Stellar Online PST Repair? Well, here are some few reasons why. 1. No application installs required. 2. A simple interface in your browser app. 3. Repairs corrupted Outlook PST files. 4. It allows you to preview recoverable mailbox items before saving. And 5. It's a great option when ScanPST freezes or fails to finish the PST repair. If you've been using ScanPST and it's been stuck for hours, this can save you heaps of time and frustration. If you need a more powerful solution, however, try Stellar Repair for Outlook Desktop. While the web-based service is a great choice for convenient and quick PST repair, you may encounter a situation which requires a more advanced solution. If your PST file is larger than 5 GB, has severe corruption, or you prefer an offline application due to confidential business reasons, Stellar Repair for Outlook is the ideal software for your device. Step 1. Download and install Stellar Repair for Outlook on your Windows device. Step 2. Launch the app and choose your corrupted PST file. If you're unsure of the location, use the Find option to locate it. Step 3. Click Repair to scan and repair the corrupted PST file. Step 4. Once the scan is done, preview your recovered emails, contacts, notes, calendars, tasks, journals, attachments, and other Outlook items. Step 5. Save the repaired mailbox as a new PST file. Depending on the edition, you may also have the ability to export the recovered mailbox to either Microsoft 365 or the Technician edition of Live Exchange. Unlike ScanPST, Stellar Repair for Outlook is designed to repair PST files that are severely corrupted of any size while preserving the original folder hierarchy and mailbox structure. Whether you're an individual end user who needs to recover an important mailbox or an IT admin who's in charge of monitoring and managing multiple Outlook mailboxes, Stellar Repair for Outlook provides an offline, reliable, and comprehensive option when ScanPST isn't enough. So basically, if ScanPST is stuck while repairing your Outlook PST file, don't waste any more time waiting. Try Stellar Online PST Repair Service for a quick browser-based recovery. And if your PST file is larger than 5 gigs or severely corrupted, Stellar Repair for Outlook Desktop offers advanced recovery for even the most challenging Outlook issues. You'll find links to both solutions in the description below. Thank you all for watching, and see you all next time.